Hello and welcome to my first video blog. I'm going to start doing little video blogs on my trips, my weekend trips to hiking and just, life blogs. So I hope you guys enjoy this blog and video blog of Tony and I going on our hikes. We are headed out to Mendocino to go hike a Fern trail. So I hope you guys enjoy. The drive can be a little bit busy and nauseating, but the drive up there is so beautiful. You'll see all these big redwood trees and everything, and it's a really nice drive. We're just really fortunate that it was sunny. And turns, but it's definitely worth going up there still. The drive is so beautiful and you guys won't regret it. When we got to this viewpoint, it was super windy, but it was so worth it to stop by. It's like a passageway. How are you liking it so far?
What?
How are you liking it so far?
What do I like it so far?
It's a pretty easy trail, right?
Yeah, it's pretty easy. No, actually it is easy.
Very easy trail. So after a 3.5 hour drive, we made it to the Russian Gulch State Park. We paid $8 to get inside, so I think it's totally worth it. We started at the South Trail first, and then we made our way out to the Fern Canyon Loop, which loops around to the waterfall, and we can take the trail back up, come back. So the hike wasn't too bad. I would say it's medium to moderate, but it's worth going and seeing. I just love all the ferns, and it's super nice, and I think it's just really peaceful. Only lollipop because it's giving us some sugar. Mask to make sure that we were protected from other people, but it was such a beautiful sight.
I thought you're moving it too fast.
Oh.
Yeah, zoom it in. Slow down, slow down.
Sorry.